Hello everyone. If your orchids at home have become wilted, with dry roots, and seem beyond saving, don't throw them away just yet. Watch this video, and I'll show you a simple way to revive them. I will remove all unnecessary parts before planting the orchid. As we can see, the root ball is dry and prone to mold, and it can no longer provide nutrients. I will remove
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video.
Nó
Please
xoay
subscribe to the
đẹp mà
channel so we
chắc là
can
hoặc là
share more
di
helpful
chuyển
plant
mình
care
cái chân dưới
tips.
nè. Đâu có thấy chú nãy cái máy cái nó lại trẻ trẻ lại đâu.
Đó là vô cái cổ đi, chân chân nằm im.
Dưới này di chuyển chân đó.
Removing the entire dry root ball helps eliminate dead roots, prevent the spread of fungal disease, and reduce unnecessary nutrient loss. This allows the plant to focus
Còn cái lực năng suất vẫn
to help prevent pests and fungal issues and support new root growth. I'll share a simple tip today. Sometimes, with just a few simple tips, we can transform damaged plants at home into healthier and more beautiful ones. We should soak weak orchids in garlic water for about 30 minutes to help them absorb nutrients.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.
By reviving weak orchids, we can save money on buying new plants and learn more effective care methods. This way, nothing in the garden goes to waste, even damaged orchids.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.
When growing orchids, we should always pay attention to proper moisture. They don't like too much water. During the stage, when the orchid is preparing to bloom, I use rice water as part of the care routine. Rice water can provide light nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, helping orchids stay strong during the pre-bloom stage. It may also support We soak the orchid in rice water for about 15 minutes, then gently wipe the leaves so they can absorb light nutrients and
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips. We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.